Start working over here to doing the dress for the dolls, but this is the ones that I started finished today, and this is frozen. And now let's go see outside. Look at outside. It's white. It's frozen outside, and it's, I don't know how much snow it was in there. Let's go find out. I'm still doing my laundry. It's not done yet. Oh, 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Look at the birdies. They're eating seeds now. I put some seeds outside. Easy. What's that, girl? What are you doing, Lulu? Are you eating your seeds? Funny. What are you doing, Porky? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Lulu. You like outside? Let me clean it up very well. I think so. There's greasy on it. What are you doing, funny boy? What is that? Are you saying hello? Are you saying hello? Where are you going, Easy Peasy Weasy? What are you doing, Easy Peasy Weasy? You wanna see the birdies outside eating seeds? Look at the cardinal. Yeah, I put some seeds outside. Now it's not too much snow. Now it's a lot of seeds outside. Now they can stand here. Yeah, my nose is hurts now. Yeah, look at the Cindy's outside too. Let's see if I can get some birds right there. Another one right here. Oh boy. Yep. They taken one and they flew away. They come in more and they flew away. Look at the buddies. They're funny ones. My nose is hers for still being outside. They taken one. Covered board. Let's see how many they are covered board. Yeah, I hear the bluebird too. Let's see if they're coming. Birdies. Hey, my little funny buddies. How you doing? Hey, Karen. Hi, Fluffy. Wanna say hi? Now you wanna say hi too? Look at that. 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 Funny girl. Are you gonna say hi? What do you wanna do? You beat me, little buddy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't hide. Don't hide. Don't hide, funny buddy. I'm gonna get your tail. Get out from there. Funny girl. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't beat me. You already beat me. Ouch. Ow! Ouch! Don't beat me. Be nice. Hey, Porky, you wanna beat me again? You left me one bite very badly, eh? You wanna do it? Or you wanna play? You wanna play? Ow! Ouch! Hey, you wanna beat me again? Be nice. Be nice. Ouch! Ay, hijo de la linis. Ow! Be nice. Ay, ouch! Be nice, Porky. Ow! It hurts. You beat hurts. Be nice. Don't treat. Ow! Be nice, Porky. You bleed my fingers. Ouch! Ouch! Easy. Are you jealous because I'm playing with him too? Come on, beat me. Ouch! Be nice. Be soft. You see? Are you stuck? You see? I'm not gonna help you. Hold on, funny boy. What do you want? Come here, funny boy. Come here. Where are you going? Porky, where are you? There you are. Come here, Porky. Porky, ouch. Porky. Are you gonna play honey? Where are you? Porky, there you are. Where are you, my little buddy? Ouch. Don't beat me. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, where are you going? See you. Funny boy. Hey, Lulu. Hey, my little funny Fluffy. Come here, Lulu. Come here, Lulu. Come here. Come here, my little buddy. Come here, my little buddy. Come here. Come here, my little funny bird. Come here, my little buddy. Hi, my little sweetheart. How you doing? You wanna beat me too? You wanna stay out? Oh, be careful. Be careful, Lulu. Come here, carrot. Come here, my little carrot. Come here, little carrot. Look outside. See the snow? See the snow? See? Yeah, you see the snow, little buddy? You see the snow, my little fluffy carrot? Look at the little buddies. You see the buddies? Yeah, look outside, my little carrot. You see that? Isn't that cool? After a long time, we have it the first day of December. Now it's snow. How cool it is. You cold? Fluffy, you okay? Do they have to rescue it? Come here, Lulu. Hey, my little Fluffy. Oh boy, now it started rain. It's frozen raining again. I can see the little snowballs in there. You see that? Now it's more frozen. It's more dangerous outside. This Fluffy, what you doing? Come here, Lulu. Come here, fly up. Come on, fly up, baby. Come here, my little buddy. Come here, my little buddy. Look at the little buddy outside too. And it's frozen more. Come here, Fluffy. Oh, it's getting more frozen outside. What you doing? What's that, Fluffy puppy? Eh? What's that? Funny boy. See? It's frozen outside, my little buddy. See? See, outside is frozen. You cannot live outside. It's frozen and you can get more sick. Yeah, look at the little snowballs now is coming out. I can hear that. See? Hey, my little carrot. You see the birdies? Turn around. Turn around, sweetie. Oh boy. Now it's getting very dangerous from driving outside. Look at Cindy's. Cindy's on top of the tree now. Funny, Lulus. Okay, I want to stop it over here too, okay? Yep.